Yo, what's up everybody? I'm out here. I'm just chilling by the Green River, right over here. It's about 4:30, something like that. Sun's gonna go down in about an hour. Just thought I'd come here and check out the water and just hang out. And if you've seen my other videos or pictures, you can see that there's these two trees just in the middle of the river that fell from the bank, and they're just chilling. Like, I've never seen anything like that before. Just two trees straight up in the middle of the river, just hanging out. Yeah, thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, there's a bunch of fucking trash right here. People fucking throw out their trash. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, it's pretty cold out here. It's probably like 30 degrees, something like that. It's supposed to be warmer tomorrow, but who knows. Just chilling out here. I was actually about to leave, but I thought I'd make a little video first and show y'all what's up. Yeah, I'm pretty surprised that there's no one back here on a Saturday. There's usually like some drunk old guys just coming through, just trying to have fun, but I don't know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I didn't really have anything to say. I just wanted to make a little short video because why not? I like making videos, so fuck it. But I'm gonna get back to the woods and go back to the fire that I started and drink a few beers and hang out with my cousin, have a good time. So I guess I'm gonna end the video here. So yeah, peace.